Rosa and I really want to make cake for my mother and father. So I'm going to show you the easy way to make chocolate cake. The most yummiest cake ever! Let me show you all the ingredients. This is vanilla, this is baking soda, and this is
baking powder,
and this is coffee, and this is egg, and this is the chocolate,
cocoa powder,
and this
flour,
is flour, this is
oil,
and this is boiling hot water, and this is sugar.
This is the pan. First put the flour in it. Flour, yes. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay. So I must add it.
Yes. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And what we adding now, Mohammed?
Now we're adding some coffee. Come on, it's nice.
1 teaspoon of coffee.
Take a bowl now, boiling water and some cocoa powder. Ooh. It looks so chocolatey now. We're gonna add the vanilla essence into the cocoa powder. So guys, we take one empty bowl, put 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of
1/4 cup of oil.
and 1/4 cup of oil.
First put sugar.
Wow. Oops. Give me.
Crack it.
Wow!
Let's mix all the ingredients now. Ooh, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put the cocoa powder mixture inside the bowl. For my chocolate cake. So when you mix all the ingredients, this is how it looks like. Guys, now the scariest part. Let's put it in the oven. You're gonna put it in the oven now. I'll see you in the next 30 minutes. So guys, you can see now my cake is ready.
And now we're going to add the
Chocolate.
and we'll keep it in the fridge for 2 hours. Let's start.
My super yummy delicious cake is about to go in the fridge now for 2 hours. It looks so chocolatey and creamy. Now let's put it in the fridge. If you tried this super delicious cake, don't forget to share with me. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Wow!